All right, guys, you know who else benefits from this NBIS Group news? With Microsoft signing a 5-year deal, $19.4 billion, CRWV should benefit as well. We're already seeing the stock popping in after hours. So that's one, after it's sold off, I think can make a little run because other big cap companies, or mega caps, I should say, could potentially partner with either, NBIS Group or CRWV. So the demand is strong right there. They can't get enough supply. That's what I read with the Microsoft. Why Microsoft, is paying this money, doing this contract, is because they can't get the supply quick enough from NVIDIA. And so NBIS Group and also CRWV could be a beneficiary. So that's another one you can look at. Obviously, NBIS Group had a huge pop already, and I put out a video saying you could try to play this, bounce back up to 100 potentially, but you want to make sure you get out if it goes below the low, which is 88. So I'd put my stop loss at 87.99 if you're day trading it. Obviously, if you're holding long, okay, it's okay. I think the stock is going to go much higher in the future, but it's got to, digest that gain. So I'm not recommending, more than a tiny position to start, with NBIS after the big surge, okay? But CRWV, CRWV, this one we know went really high and it pulled back all the way to the mid 80s. And now after this news, it's catching a lift because other hyperscalers, could do business with CRWV as well. And even though they're taking big losses, their revenue growth is solid. So I do think now with interest rate cuts coming, that helps because we know CRWV still has a very high valuation. NBIS Group does too. Okay, but because of an interest rate cut coming, possibly several, then that helps. Valuations aren't as much of a concern, when it's risk on in the market and those high beta names can go up. So I just wanted to point that out, that CRWV can also be a beneficiary like NBIS Group.